Introduction to Linear Programming. Linear programming is a technique used to help managers make decisions regarding the production of products that involve limited resources. Basically, a company that produces products must decide how many units of products to produce that can maximize the company's profit. Linear programming is used to make this decision. That is, it is used to determine number of products to be produced that can maximize profit. This is an example of a linear programming model. A linear programming model has 4 requirements. Number 1, it must have one objective function. Objective function represents the objective of the company. The objective can either be to maximize profit or to minimize costs. Number 2, it must have several constraints. Constraints represent the limited resources used to make products. Number 3, it must have decision variables. Decision variables represent the products to be produced. And number 4, it must have linear objective function and constraints, which means that all variables in the objective function and constraints must be of degree 1. Now, a linear programming model can be solved by using graphical method or simplex method. Graphical method can only be used to solve a linear programming model that has 2 variables. Whereas simplex method can be used to solve a linear programming model that has 2 or more than 2 variables.